Now continue. Next exercise is 4.5 related to algebraic expression. So first question is exercise 4.5. First question, assignment 4.5. X minus small bracket start b minus x minus b plus small bracket x minus b, x minus b. So you know the rules to solve the bracket. So first, if line bracket, if line is not there, then small bracket. If small is not there, then curly bracket. If curly is not there, then this is large bracket, or you can say square bracket. First line, then small, then curly, then square bracket. So first question, x. Now I am solving the bracket. If outside the bracket there is minus, so when we are solving the bracket, change the sign. So minus b plus x, minus b plus x, minus b plus x, and minus b. Minus b plus x, minus b plus x minus b. So 1 plus x, 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 1x, 2x, and 3x. So it will be 3x. Minus b, minus b, minus b, minus 3b. So this is a solution. Any doubt, any confusion? Have you understood? Okay. Next question, question number 5. 2x square y, 2x square y minus square bracket start 4y square x, 4y square x minus curly bracket 3x square y, 3x square y minus small bracket start 4x square y, 4x square y minus 2xy square, 2xy square. Small bracket close, curly bracket close, and square bracket close. So first we will solve small bracket. 2x square y, 2x square y minus large bracket 4y square x minus curly bracket 3x square y minus 4x square y, and it will be 2x y square, 2x y square. Small bracket I will solve because outside of the small bracket there was minus, so it becomes minus 4x square plus 2xy square. Understood? So small bracket is solved. After small, curly bracket, so 2x square y minus 4y square x. Outside of this bracket there is minus, so sign will be changed. 3x square y plus 4x square y minus 2x y square. Now curly bracket also solved. After curly, 2x square y minus 4y square x, sign will be changed. So 3x square y minus 4x square y, because outside of bracket there is minus, So when we will solve the bracket, sign will be changed. So it becomes minus 4x square y plus 2x y square. 2x y square. Last bracket also solved. Now select the like terms. Like terms means same base and same power. So 2x square y. So this also x square y. This also x square y. So these are like terms. These are like terms. See, x square y, x square y, x square y. So plus 2 plus 3 becomes 5x square y and minus 4x square y. 4x square y square x, and this also y square x. Y square x. So minus 4y square x plus 2, you can write y square x. Y square x. Now 5x square y minus 4x square y. It will be x square y minus 4y square x plus 2y square x minus 2y square x. So this is the solution. Or you can take common also. So what is common? Xy is common. Otherwise no need. This is the solution. Xy is common. X minus 2y. You can write this also. Otherwise this is the answer. Any doubt and confusion? According to rule, if you solve it outside of the bracket, there is minus. So when you are solving the brackets, change the sign. Understood? Okay. Next question. Exercise 4.6. First question. The value of a, if the value of x square plus 3x minus a is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 1. So we have to find the value of a. Find the value of a. Value of a. So what is the given expression? Minus x square plus 3x minus a is equal to 8. So value of x is given. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So on putting the value of x, on putting the value of x, so value of x is minus 1 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 minus a is equal to 8, because value of x is given minus 1. So minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 minus a is equal to 8. Minus 1 square is 1. So minus 1 minus 3 minus a is equal to 8. Minus 3 and minus 1 minus 4 minus a is equal to 8. So minus a is equal to 8 plus 4, because minus 4 is shifted that side, so sign will be plus. So 8 plus 4 minus a is equal to 12. So a is equal to minus 12. So this is the answer. So answer is minus 12. Option D is right. Understood? Next. Question number 4. So verify that x is equal to 8 is the solution of the given equation. Given equation is 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4 by 8 minus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to x plus 6, x plus 6 by 5. So we have to verify the given value is the solution of this one. So what is the value of x? We have to check x is equal to 8 is the solution of this equation. So left hand side, on putting x is equal to 8, 5x minus 4 by 8, x minus 3 by 5. First I will take left hand side. So on putting x is equal to 8. So where is x? Put 8. So 5 multiplied by 8 minus 4 by 8 minus value of x is 8. 8 minus 3 by 5. So 8 5s are 40 minus 4 by 8 minus 8 minus 3 5 by 5. 40 minus 4 36 by 8, 36 by 8, and this is minus 1 because 5 cancel to 5, 1. So 8 is LCM, 36 minus 8, 36 minus 8, so it will be 28 by 8, 28 by 8. Now you can reduce it. So 4 7 are 28, 4 2 are 8, 4 7 are 28 and 4 2 are 8. So solution of left side is 7 by 2. Now I am taking right hand side, RHS, x plus 6 by 5, x plus 6 by 5. So value of x is 8. So 8 plus 6 by 5. So 8 plus 6, 14, 14 by 5. Solution of left side is 7 by 2 and solution of right side is 14 by 5. Both are not equal. It means this is not the solution of this one. Verify that x is equal to 8 is a solution of verify that x is equal to 8 is a solution of the equation. Once again I am checking this. 5x minus 4 by 8 minus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to x plus 6 by 5. Value of x is given 8. So 8, keep here, 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 4 by 8 minus value of x is 8. 8 minus 3 by 5. So 40 minus 4, so 36. 36 by 8 and 8 minus 3 means 5. 5 by 5, it will cancel 1. So again 8 is LCM. So 8 1 is 8. 36 minus 8, it will be 28 by 8. It means 14 by 28 by 2 means 7 by 2. Now right side is given x plus 6 by 5. So value of x is 8. 8 and 6 14. 14 by 5. So left side is 10 by 2. This is 14 by 5. According to this statement, this solution is the not solution of this algebraic expression. Thank you.